A thorough wheel cleaning not only enhances the look of your car, but also helps maintain its performance. Here are the steps you can follow to give your wheels the ultimate clean. First, use a water hose or pressure washer to thoroughly rinse the wheel and tires, removing any debris, dirt, brake dust, or road grime that may have accumulated. Next, slide your jack under the lift point on the car. Then, place the jack stand under the frame of the car for safety. After that, remove all the lug nuts using a lug nut socket. Be sure to remove the center cap from the wheel as well. Meguiar's Wheel Cleaner quickly removes dirt, brake dust, and grime, leaving your wheels looking spotless and shining. Now, spray the wheel cleaner over the entire wheel, ensuring that you cover every part. Spray some cleaner onto your detailing brush as well. Then, simply brush the entire wheel, making sure to reach the rim where dust tends to collect. Do not forget to scrub around the valve stem. Use the brush to agitate any caked-on brake dust and rinse it away. Next, clean the spokes of the wheel. After brushing, rinse the wheel immediately so the cleaner does not dry on the surface, and you can easily see the brake dust melting away. The next step is to clean the lug nuts. Spray the cleaner on them and gently scrub with the brush. Do not forget to clean the center cap hole using a toothbrush. Finally, rinse everything thoroughly with water. Now, to clean the tire, take a brush with soapy water and rub it over the tire's rubber part. Spread the soapy water across the sidewall using a soft bristle brush. After this, rinse the tire with water to remove all the dirt and debris. To clean the backside of the wheel, spray wheel cleaner over the barrel and spokes, and use a brush to agitate the dirt. After brushing, rinse everything off. Meguiar's Bug and Tar Remover quickly breaks down stubborn tar on wheels for easier, more effective cleaning. If there is any tar buildup, spray Bug and Tar Remover on the area and gently scrub it with a brush, then rinse it off. To remove stubborn tar spots, use a heat gun to warm the area, then gently rub it with a brush containing tar remover. Finally, clean the area with a microfiber cloth. The tar should come off easily. The next step is to dry the wheel. Take a microfiber cloth and wipe down the wheel to remove water spots. Give the entire wheel a good wipe. If you notice any stains remaining, use a clay bar to remove them, as it helps lift surface contaminants effectively. The silver rim touch-up paint helps restore and fix chips or scratches on your wheels, giving them a clean, polished look. If you see any damage at the base of the lug nuts, use a wheel touch-up paint pen to fix it. Just squeeze the pen and apply the paint to the affected area. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound removes swirl marks and scratches, restoring a sleek, high-gloss finish to your car's paint. To give the wheel a super glossy finish, apply a small amount of Ultimate Compound to a cloth and gently rub it over the surface. Be sure to cover the entire wheel evenly for a consistent, high-shine look. This will leave your wheels looking clean, polished, and refreshed. By following these steps, your wheels will not only look great, but also ensure your car shines every time you hit the road.